Today my topic is limit. Why we use limit? We use limit of a function is the value that function of x gets closer to as the x approaches some number. हम लोग लिमिट क्यों यूज़ करते हैं कि जब भी कोई फंक्शन के अंदर हम फंक्शन यूज़ करते हैं किसी भी नंबर के साथ, x के साथ या किसी भी नंबर के साथ, तो वो किसी ना किसी वैल्यू को अप्रोच कर रहा होता है तब हम उसमें उसकी वैल्यू इनपुट करते हैं. तो सबसे पहले हम जो फंक्शन यूज़ करेंगे लिमिट यूज़ करते हुए हम सिंपल फंक्शन यूज़ करेंगे कि लिमिट के लिए सबसे पहले द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ द एनी फंक्शन इज़ कैपिटल limit. Then we find simple x. For power we use control 6 and 3. Then x plus x, x square, x 1. हम सबसे पहले जो लिमिट यूज़ कर रहे हैं वो एक फाइनाइट नंबर की यूज़ करें जिसमें हम x को कोई ना कोई वैल्यू देंगे, फाइनाइट वैल्यू देंगे. x कंट्रोल 6 3 plus 1 and x is equals to 5. For getting the answer we hit shift plus enter and it gives us the answer. आंसर जो है हमें सिंपल फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में मिला. इफ यू वांट इन अ डेसिमल फॉर्म देन वी select numerical value, set precision, how many number of precision we want 2. Okay, it gives us in this value 1.5. if you want more precision then we can change it by there like 5, shift plus enter and give answer 1.51 123.015 digit. Then the next question we use limit which is infinite. Same question, limit x power 3 plus x power 2 plus 1 divided by x power 2 plus 1. Then limit is infinity. We take this from here infinity and square bracket close, shift plus enter and it gives us the answer. Okay, it gives the answer. Oh, limit, we just forget t. This is why this is blue, because we're not defining the proper function t. Now it's converted in a proper function. Then we again shift plus control and it gives us the answer infinity. If you want to change the limit, the answer will also change. Like if you want it 2, then the answer will be this. Now we check the limit of log function. Okay, how we can calculate limit of a log function? For this we use the equation x, space is compulsory, otherwise it didn't give any answer. L will be capital log, then it turn into a black cause it recognizes a function, and then divided by x. Now the limit of x is 1. Square bracket is closed, everything is okay, shift plus enter and the answer is 0. We can also check our answer by changing the limit. First answer is give log 2. Then there is a trigonometric function plus 9 input value. We can take from just call it down. Then if you want to solve trigonometric function, how it solve it? First calculate the limit of a trigonometric function, how we can do it. First we write the function limit x, and the sign s will be capital letter, otherwise it gives error. Function of x, sign is depend on x, and divided by x, and then x is approaches to 0. Shift plus enter, it gives us the answer 1. If you want to plot a graph of this equation, we can also do this in this Mathematica, just by we take from this here is plot, and there is a basic command, click on 2D plot, and it gives us an equation. First function, which function we use to plot a graph, we use this function sin of x as it is. We just copy the function, divided by x, and then x minimum value we take pi, tap, and pi. Shift plus enter and give us a plot. Shift plus enter and it gives us a नाउ अगर हमें चाहिए कि हम ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन विद एक्सपोनेंशियल के साथ यूज करें, तो दिस आल्सो सॉल्व बाय मैथमेटिका. फर्स्ट 1 plus 9, the function is limit, and we use 1 plus sin x function, then divided by exponential, we take it from e and control 6 for power x, and x is infinity. We take infinity as a limit. Shift plus enter and it gives the answer 1. We can also make a plot of this function by the same method. Plot 3D, and we want to use this expression, we just copy it from here, control C, and here control V, and x, the value of x, anything minus 4 to 5, shift plus enter, and it gives us a plot. This is the limit topic, how we can find a limit of simple function to trigonometric function, log function, and as well as exponential function. This is the limit topic.